Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background music on CapCut. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open the CapCut application, and here you can see I have already opened my application, and then open a new project. So once you open a new project, you will see this sort of interface. So now let's go ahead and import our video. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the video. Here you can see this is another tutorial that I had made earlier. So let's go ahead and drag it to our timeline. Alright, so here you can see we have the background music plus audio. So to remove the background music, what you have to do is you have to click on audio over here, and then here you will see a voice isolation feature, which is a CapCut Pro feature. So if you have the CapCut Pro application, you will see the voice isolation option over here. But since this is a free version of CapCut, it is not showing up right now. So yeah, that's it. That's the only way that you can utilize to remove the background music in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.